Hello guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Netflix in another country. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos like this. Now let's get started! There is no denying the popularity of Netflix as a global streaming service with over 220 million subscribers. Everyone can discover something interesting to watch. From original series like Ozark and Stranger Things to movies and documentaries. However, what you can stream varies depending on the nation from which you are connected. That's because Netflix applies geo-restrictions to its content, just like other streaming services do. As a result, if you reside in New York, you will only be able to see items that are available in the US catalog. Additionally, if your favorite show is only available in the US market, you might not be able to watch it while you are traveling. The good news is that there is a solution to this issue. You can conceal your true location and deceive your ISP into believing you are somewhere else by using a VPN. As Pure VPN offers a wide range of service dotted across the globe. You will also be able to browse foreign catalogs from the comfort of your sofa with ease. So, how to start with Pure VPN in order to use Netflix in another country? To begin, please use the download link provided below or visit purevpn.com. The next step is to purchase a Pure VPN premium membership. Then to get Pure VPN and set it up, you can download the software with a single click. If you're using your phone, then automatic installation will happen after the app downloading process and then you now can access the application. When prompted, select Run as Administrator from the Pure VPN Folders menu to launch the program's installation. Windows UAC or User Account Control will ask for your password whenever you attempt an action that necessitates elevated permissions, such as installing software. Enter the code you were given and click Yes to proceed. After the setup is complete, the program will launch and give a quick rundown of its features and capabilities. You should be able to navigate the interface with ease after reviewing the provided documentation. So, here you can choose which country you want and then try to check if you can now access the blocked internet. Now, to access Netflix with your installed Pure VPN, open and log into your account in Pure VPN. Now, connect to a virtual private network server located in the nation whose region you would like to access. If you do not already have a Netflix account, you need to create one. Go to Netflix. It is expected that you will now be automatically redirected to the country site corresponding to the location of the server you have chosen. Now, if you haven't already done so, log into your Netflix account so you can watch a movie or show you want to see. So there you go, you can now use Netflix in another country. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget that you can claim your free trial at the link below. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. See you at the next one.